Okay, now we are going to continue our lessons in work example 4. In this topic, we have to construct a triangle by given three sides. In these instructions, construct triangle PQR such that the length of PQ is 10.5 cm, PR is 8.5 cm, and QR is 9.55 cm. And the question part 1, measure and write down the size of angle facing the longest side. And then the second question is construct the angle bisector of QPR such that it cuts QR, and measure and write down the length of QT such that T is the point where the angle bisector of QPR cuts QR. Now we can follow the solutions here. The construction steps is given here. Now the first thing that you should do that is using a ruler draw PQ is equal to 10.5 centimeter. And don't forget to bring your protractor and your compass and your ruler first. Now we can start from here. Draw the line PQ 10.5 centimeter like this. Okay, I will draw it by the black ink. 10.5 centimeter like this. Okay, don't forget to name your line here. That is PQ. Alright, now we go to the second step, that is since R is 8.5 cm away from P and P center at 8.5 cm as radius. So you use your ruler again and then use your compass and make sure that the needle arm right on P, and then move the right arm like this and make sure that is 8.5 centimeter from P like this. Okay, I think it's enough. And then draw an arc line. I choose by blue color here and I get this one. Alright, now we go to the third steps, that is since R is 9.5 centimeter away from Q with Q as center and 9.5 centimeter as radius. So I will move this compass again and I will use the yellow one or the green one and move the right arms to 9.5 centimeter like this, and then I flip it and then I put the needle arms on Q like this, and then I draw the arc like this. Now we know that we have two intersections of arcs here on this point, so we can write down here this is the point of R. Of course, the length of PR is 8.5 centimeter and the length of QR is 9.5 centimeter. But before that, we have to draw the line of PR by rotating my ruler first. So I have to move this protractor first, and yes. Okay, now I have already done, and then I draw the line of PR like this. And also I do the same thing with the QR. So I have to draw the length of QR. So I call like this and I have to adjust. So wait a moment. Alright, now I have already done. Okay, now I will draw the line of QR like this. Now we have already finished. Once again. Alright, now we have already drawn a triangle of PQR. And the question is measure and write down the size of angle facing the longest side. So the angle that facing the longest one is PQ, because PQ is the longest one, that is 10.5 centimeter rather than the others. Now I will use my protractor to measure the angle of this one. Okay, make sure that you put the center of this protractor like this, and then you rotate like this, and make sure that you read the numbers carefully. Alright, and then you can calculate measure that the angle of PRQ is exactly 71 degrees. Alright, so we can write down here that is the angle of PRQ with head above R, that is 71 degrees. That is our answer. Now for the second part, you have to draw the angle bisector of QPR such that it cuts QR, and then you measure the length of the angle bisector. Alright, now you just use your compass here, and then make sure that the needle on P here, because you have to intersect QPR with P at the center, and then adjust your arms like this, more than half of PQ, and then I will use the yellow color to differentiate this arc from the others. And then after that, you know the rule after this is put your needle arms on the intersection PQ here, and then draw again without changing the arm's length. Okay, now we get this one. And also you do the same thing with this point, the intersection between PR and the point B here, and then draw again the arc. And then you notice that there is a dot, an intersection of this. Let's call this is the point of G. And then from this point G, we connect it with P and we draw a line of PG. Now I will recall my ruler and wait just a moment here. I have to set up I have to adjust this ruler first to make sure this correct or accurately. Alright, now make sure that okay. Now we have already done. Now we can draw this line with the red line, so we get this. Now this red line intersects on the line of QR, and we can call this dot, this point is K. Let's call this point K. And then we measure that the length of PK is around about, let's see, around 8 point more, but to get it more exactly, alright, it's about, okay, let's call this not K but T according to this one. So PT is around 8.1 centimeter, but the questions asks calculate the length of QT. So we have to adjust again our ruler here. So make sure that you read the instruction of the questions correctly. So this one. Alright, now we have already done. Now we can see that this QT is around 5.2 or 5.3. Okay, I think this answer is 5.3 centimeters. So you can write down the QT is around of 5.3 centimeters. Alright, this is our answer for this example. Okay, and if you want to be perfect, don't forget to take a practice now 4. It's good for you to make you perfect, and don't forget, if you have any questions you can ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, please be focused and study about it. It's very interesting topic that you have to learn, and it's very fun to do it by your tools to draw this one. Alright, see you on the next chapter. Bye bye.